How no-code is contributing to the finance sector. A presentation by MVP.dev. Like many things in the business industry, the finance sector is evolving rapidly too. This is apparent in how banks conduct operations and how consumers are starting to go about e-commerce transactions. Here are the leading bank app trends you can anticipate this year. Touchless ATM activity. QR codes aren't new to many of us, but the optimization of these solutions through ATM is expected to grow in the next couple of months. How this works is simple. Users can simply position their smartphones on the QR code of an ATM and automatically, all of the credentials that need to be keyed in are done through the user's phone. Not only does this make withdrawals faster, but it's also a safer alternative, as this process already eliminates card captures and skimming. Biometric authentication. The biggest convenience with a biometric login is the capacity to access information and services without having to memorize a username or mistype a password. Since it's nearly impossible to cheat retina patterns or fingerprints, biometrics helps keep users from fraud. Chatbots. It is designed to improve customer experience. These AI-driven solutions simulate conversations through messaging channels to assist users. Also available on web apps, chatbots are superb tools that help expedite the customer journey. Thankfully, no-code platforms like Bubble, for instance, make it easy to incorporate chatbots into the apps you want to build. By simply installing a plugin, you can customize and program whatever you need into your application. Neobanks. It is financial establishments that operate precisely the way traditional banks do but don't make use of physical branches. In other words, they are quite literally banks that exist only in the digital space. Thanks to the apparent growth of banking as a service, BaaS, traditional banks are now also exploring the application programming interfaces, API, space in the hopes of fortifying third-party app developments and fintech efforts. No-code tools. The rise of the no-code revolution transcends industries. All thanks to visual programming, citizen developers, the term awarded to non-technical app builders, are now freer to actualize their visions without having to rely on IT departments or expensive coding teams. And since more entrepreneurs are taking the leap of faith into establishing their own versions of financial institutions, it's become a lot easier to explore minimum viable products, MVP, and finance-driven ventures. Whether or not you belong to the finance industry, the app space is only bound to grow. If anything, the pandemic has only made us understand how quickly technology can create solutions for us. Do you have apps you'd like to discuss? We're the team you want to partner with. Email us at hello@mvp.dev. MVP.dev, where app ideas come to life.